Ferodo is a leading manufacturer of brake pads. Today I'm going to show you that you can find Ferodo brake pads in more places that you can imagine. Ferodo is manufacturer of brake pads for the aftermarket, but also for OE, OES and brake system manufacturers. In front of us we have the Ferodo Demo case containing brake pads, OE brake pads and aftermarket brake pads. On the right hand side you will see the OE brake pad. The OE brake pad contains the identification number, better Ferodo identification number engraved on the top of the brake pad. On the left hand side you will see the aftermarket brake pad carrying the same Ferodo identification number. So I hope this helps you to identify your OE brake pads. Next time you change your brake pads, check out Ferodo.